Yes, so students, now come to the next topic, equilibrium of vectors. Equilibrium of vectors. Yes, equilibrium of vectors. Whatever be the number of vectors, more than 2 or equal to 2. That means indirectly more than 1. Any number of vectors. Now, equilibrium of vectors meaning is, if the vector addition of all involved vectors is 0, means null vector, then all vectors are in equilibrium. For example, previously we have seen polygon law. If A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, E bar, F bar represent all sides of a polygon taken in particular order, then vector addition of all those vectors is a 0. That means indirectly all those vectors from A bar to F bar, all vectors in the equilibrium. That is the meaning of equilibrium. Means vector resultant, vector addition of all involved vectors is null vector, 0 vector, indirectly 0. So then all those vectors are termed as in equilibrium. So now equilibrium, suppose 3 vectors, A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0. Then indirectly, these all 3 vectors in equilibrium. That is the meaning of, means vector resultant is a 0. Now I am taking again a triangle to represent this. A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0. So this is A bar, this is B bar, this is a C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar. All these 3 sides taken in particular R. And this angle I am taking alpha, this I am taking beta, this I am taking gamma. A bar magnitude small a, B bar magnitude small b, C bar magnitude means here to here C, here to here A, here to here B. That is the magnitude also. Now A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 0 means now these 3 vectors form a closed triangle. But we know from triangle principle, previously I explained. Triangle principle, in case of properties of triangles, that is not trigonometry. Yes, here also triangle closed, all sides lengths we know and angles also we know. So from the properties of triangles, yes, here A by sine alpha equal to B by sine beta equal to C by sine gamma. So this is now properties of triangle and also vector addition, both combined. Yes, students, equilibrium of vectors. One example here completed and forming a triangle. Triangle principle also you will take this first. Then next continuation. Okay, now equilibrium meaning completed, means vector addition should be 0. Now on the small logical problems there, just see. Students, here collinear vectors, coplanar vectors, non-coplanar vectors. So see, you know, these 3 all know, but one more time. Collinear vectors means Whatever may be the vectors you are taking, maybe 2 or more than 2. Collinear means in the same line. In the same line. But maybe they are in same direction or opposite direction. But line should be the same. For example, this is vector 1. This is another vector. Both are in the same line. So collinear vectors. Suppose now opposite, but still same line. These two known as a collinear vectors. Vectors present in a single line. So this is collinear vectors. Maybe same direction or maybe opposite. Now, coplanar vectors. Coplanar, for example, board is example for one plane. On this board, suppose this vector here, many vectors now, but all are on the board only. These vectors are known as coplanar vector. Means all vectors are on the plane of board. But suppose students, one vector like this, one vector like this, one vector like this, but another vector like this, or maybe like this. That means not in the plane of board. That type of combination, that type of vectors are non-coplanar vectors. So collinear, coplanar, non-coplanar. So first collinear vectors suppose. Collinear vectors means the same line. Maybe same direction but opposite direction. Now the question is, how many minimum number of vectors which are collinear required to make equilibrium? Yes, topic is equilibrium. Equilibrium means we know vector addition should be easy. So now first collinear I am taking. How many minimum number of collinear vectors required to form equilibrium? Yes, all know students answer 2. Why 2? Minimum number examiner asks. Collinear. Suppose this side 5. This side 5. 5, 5. Opposite. Vector addition is a 0. You may take 5, 4, 2. But no any vector addition 0. That means 5, 4 non-zero. So now I am writing 5, 4, 1 more 1. So 5, 4, 1, 0. But here 3 vectors I have there. That's why examiner question is minimum number. Minimum possibility. Yes, minimum possibility is a 2. This side suppose vector magnitude 2. This side 2, 2, 2. Addition is a 0. Right? So like that now, minimum number of collinear vectors to form 0. That means equilibrium of vectors. 0 resultant. To make 0 resultant or to form equilibrium, minimum number of collinear vectors is a 2. Both should have same magnitude and opposite direction. So then that is the collinear, and now required for the equilibrium. 2 required of this, but same direction, same magnitude, opposite direction. You can make now 0 equilibrium by taking more than 2 also, but here target is minimum number. Minimum number. Okay. Yes. Now moving to coplanar. Coplanar but non-collinear, because collinear again coplanar also. Suppose this vector again on the plane of board only. So that's why these vectors collinear, of course coplanar also. That's why next our target coplanar but non-collinear. Non-collinear. How many minimum number of coplanar non-collinear vectors required to make 0 resultant? Means to form equilibrium. Non-collinear. Suppose collinear means 2 over already. Non-collinear but coplanar. So here answer now. Previously we have seen triangle principle. So 3, at least 3 required. So now 3 vectors. Suppose this is one vector, this is another vector, this is another vector. All forming a triangle, non-collinear but coplanar. So then minimum 3 coplanar but non-collinear vectors required. Whatever may be the magnitude, whatever may be the direction, but they should form a closed triangle. Then resultant is 0. This is the minimum. You can take more than 3 also. Previously, we have taken polygon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of vectors. Finally, 0. That is also equilibrium. But our target is minimum number. Minimum number. But here, minimum number less than 3 if you take. Suppose 2 if you take. Suppose this is vector 1, it is vector 2. These 2 vector resultant is non-zero. Non-zero means non-equilibrium. So that's why 2 not possible because non-collinear required. Collinear means 2 possible. Non-collinear 2 not possible. But at least 3 okay. More than 3 also okay. But minimum number is the 3. Minimum number is the 3. Right? Next, come to non-coplanar. Non-coplanar means some vectors not on the plane of board, maybe making some angle with respect to the board. That is a non-coplanar. Not only on the board, they are now making some angle with the board also. That type of at least 4 vectors required. At least 4. More than 4 also no. More than 4 also no. So at least 4 vectors, that is non-coplanar vectors, required to make 0 resultant. That is to form equilibrium. Yes, students, now here minimum number of collinear vectors 2. Minimum number of non-collinear but coplanar vectors 3. Non-coplanar vectors 4. This now sufficient to produce equilibrium.